Well. Welcome back to Minecraft Hardcore. Now things are looking a little bit different than the last video. Hats off. We lost the world. Now, throughout the entire video, I was saying about how I was gonna lose the world, and unfortunately, it did happen. Is it a terrible thing? I mean, look at it both ways. I wasn't super happy with how the world was going, and I'm in a really good spot. Now, I didn't do everything that I set out in that world to do, because I wanted to test out my oranges and my jungle woods and my mangroves and maybe some copper builds, and I didn't get to do that. So I'm going to continue to do that here, just a little bit more extreme. As you can see, we have spruce. I know where every single biome in this world is. I traveled at least a couple thousand blocks to get here in different directions to find this place. In fact, there's a village right over there. So pretty much today's just gonna be a chill day. We're gonna do a little bit of building. I want to build up this area by the water. I have plans for here, I got plans for here, and I got plans for everything in between. I just need plans for my house. Now I'm thinking I'll either put my house up here, or I have been clearing out this area of all of its bamboo so that maybe I can start using some of these bamboo blocks. Bamboo blocks? Bamboo blocks. I can't. Urgh. Okay, as you can tell from the time lapse, I've been busy. Now, I have to admit, from this side, it doesn't look very good. But when we go off to this side, I think we can kind of get what I'm going for. It looks way better from this side. I also added, I don't think this made it in, I added a little way up because the dock's too high, but that's on purpose. Now, as far as colors go, I might need to get rid of the composters, but I think that this is working the way that I want it to. I think the red works with the yellows and the oranges and all that. So we're switching it up instead of just building out a spruce, which I could do. But so now we just gotta add details and then interior, which I haven't decided what's going in here yet. So yeah, y'all wanna do some building? It's gonna be fun. This should be a fun project on a mellow day. I also, while we're talking about it, I did some more mining that goes pretty far down, and there's a cave down there. So I got some diamonds to make a diamond pickaxe, so I can not go to the Nether. We're not going to the Nether. But before anyone asks, no, this is not my starter house. My starter house is actually gonna go here and face the water, I think. I haven't decided which way it's gonna face. I think it's gonna go there and face that way. It also might go up there. We have options. But let's do some decorating, shall we? Alrighty, everybody. We're back and we're finished. We've done all the decorating that we're gonna do. So let's go see what I've done. See what chaos I've gotten up to. First thing I added was some pots. I might flip them around just to add some little details outside that aren't just these posts, which I didn't have a lot to work with. But on the inside, oh my, is it a little cramped and chaotic in here? But that's what I was kind of going for. We have some plants, some different pictures, and then we have this storage room, which I really like. I'm a really big fan of. Then out here, eventually, I'm going to have a dock out here, like a fishing dock, because this is supposed to be a fishing hut. Now, if we come around here, you can see some of the other little details. This is a work in progress. This is my water wheel. And then over here, we have just some little bits. And we have some mangrove roots, or wood, that looks like seaweed. Just the little decorations, you know? And the seaweed comes up on the side. I need to finish getting the mangrove hanging signs, and then we are pretty much done with our first official build, which I'm really happy about. Now, if you can't tell, I'm slightly losing my voice already. I'm also getting under the weather, so I'm gonna end this one here, and then I'm gonna make sure that this is up on Thursday, so I'm gonna make sure that next Tuesday's video is gonna go. I'm gonna go make sure that I can get that before I get too ill. So hopefully you guys liked this more chilled out, buildy kind of stuff. I know we didn't do a lot, and next video I know we're gonna do more. For a fact, I know it. And at some point I'm gonna build a starter house. Don't you guys worry, starter house is coming. But yeah, thanks for clicking on, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. See you guys then. Bye-bye.